This is what they call beautiful and amazing hair transformation. Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. It's your girl Flavor Beauty World. If you're just coming across this video or my channel for the first time, you're welcome to the channel. Please hit on the subscribe button to join this amazing family. I think this particular hairstyle that I'm seeing on the screen here is, should I say, a branch or a type of Koroba braid hairstyle? Yes, because the tip is giving Koroba braid vibes, and this particular one too is also Koroba braid hairstyle because it's just a simple and a stylish cornrow, but the tip is giving Koroba braid hairstyle. I don't even know how all these hairstylists were able to like come up with these hairstyles idea. I'm still in shock how they were able to do it. Look at this particular one too. I think they'll just like braid it and arrange it, but arranging it is not that easy. Oh, it's not that easy as it sounds. To my returning subscribers, thank you guys so much for the love, the support, and everything. Please do not forget to leave a comment for me. Tell me what you think about this braid hairstyle transformation that you're seeing on the screen. And do not forget to leave a comment for me. This is a case of what I ordered versus what I got, but at least this hairstylist tried. Shao, she actually tried because she did a good job. This particular one, let me categorize it under ponytail braid hairstyle, though it is giving a different vibe. It's giving that rich auntie vibe and all that, but let's categorize it under ponytail braid hairstyle. If you have watched this video to this extent and you're yet to make your choice of braid, my dear, what are you waiting for? You can also check out other of our videos in this channel. I'm sure you'll make a good choice. Like, you will be able to come up with something. You'll be able to come up with a braid hairstyle that you will love. This particular one is giving big lady, or should I say is also giving rich auntie vibe, sha. And her makeup looks so good and perfect on her face. Wow, this is so beautiful. We have so many amazing hairstyle transformation in this channel. That is, if you're yet to check it out, just check it out, make your choice from there. Do not forget to share out this video to other viewers so that they can view, make their choice. And again, thanks for watching, and do not forget to subscribe. Bye.